So we're seeing where reggae singer Jah Cure has been making the rounds a lot recently in conventional media, but more so on social media, for a mixture of positive and negative things. I saw where he gave back to his basic school recently, but a lot of the stuff surrounding Jah Cure recently has been questionable, and as such we're seeing where a psychologist is suggesting that Jah Cure needs professional help soon. Jah Cure needs help immediately, says a psychologist. May I talk about it in a few people, my soon circle. Before we proceed, smash the like button to pieces, leave a comment, please share the life out of this video, feel free to subscribe for more content, remember to turn on your notification so as to never miss another video.
Let's do it.
Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Jah Cure's recent actions could really be a cry for help, says Miami, Florida-based psychologist. The Grammy-nominated reggae singer, who now goes by the name El Gringo, has been acting up on social media since lately. However, according to Dr. Foster, the Cure could be suffering from post-traumatic stress disorder (PTSD) after his recent events.
The blood clot, you know? El Gringo. You think some have to sweat for bingo? No, they better know that. The king go. Man go where the king go. Remember that, yeah? Yeah, man. Dango dingo. Yes.
Out and bad.
Bad and beat them. See him so. Give me a light, they charge you. Bumbo clot.
Wallets, world singer. Next day. World singer.
Man a world singer, you think man a girl singer? Man sing for the girls, but we're international over the world. I saw it got deep.
They should know them.
You see them? I'm a queen of them out. Look there.
Jah Cure has been going through a lot in the past few years, so fans should offer help instead of bashing him online, as he could be suffering from mental illness in silence, Foster said. We are looking at a guy that was incarcerated for years, who got a second chance at life. However, it now seems like it is falling apart.
See man I laugh and say them near El Gringo. How that for be negative? If someone unlucky me now take up arms and shoot you know. No go about in the business, yeah. When a black line intimidate me for Instagram, you know. Instagram never makes for someone, it makes a man like we have things to show, no. Suck on the mother.
Foster says Jah Cure's wife, Camila McDonald, filing for divorce, him losing the Grammy Award for the Best Reggae Album, being assaulted in the Bahamas, and most recently crashing his 30 million Jamaican dollar Mercedes-Benz AMG C63S is a lot for anyone to handle, especially for someone in his position, being a public figure, so he should seek professional help immediately.
Yeah, in the rain. We're going into the hills today in the rain to look some mangoes. I like the wildlife. I like it adventurous. And the adventurous go around here. Always live. Yeah. Yo, I'm going to want a photo now.
So peeps, what do you think about it? Do you think that Jah Cure is just being himself? I mean, the truth of the matter is that Jah Cure has always been somebody who make you scratch your head when you hear him say certain things sometime, or you see him do certain things. You understand? Jah Cure has always come across as somebody who is lacking a bit of maturity, is a little bit petty at times, and a lot showy and boastful.
So, what's gonna happen? Jump.
You You understand? But if you really and truly analyze the post that he has made recently, you really realize that this is Jah Cure squared. You understand? It is just twice as much as Jah Cure is normally on a regular basis. You understand what I mean? I say? So is this Jah Cure being Jah Cure and him up the ante, or is this a man that is crying out for help, as Dr. Foster is suggesting? You understand what I say? A lot of persons have been giving it to him recently based on the post that he has made. But is Jah Cure in a place in his life now where he needs assistance from a medical expert, a psychologist, so to speak?
Wow, this is a monster. 63 was a beast, but oh my goodness.
As the doc is saying, he has been through a lot in recent times, from his incarceration to his marriage going on, that to being beaten down in the Bahamas, to crashing his car recently. Thank God he was not injured. You understand? So it's a lot of things that to be dealing with as an individual. So is there a need for Jah Cure to seek help? And this is not me judging Jah Cure or anything. I'm just suggesting that based on the clips that I've seen and the posts that I've seen, it would suggest to me that Jah Cure might not be as coherent as we would like at this point in time. You understand? Or he is not as costlier as we would want him to be. See, so peeps, me hear one have to say about it still. Jah Cure being Jah Cure, or Jah Cure crying out for help. Me could talk about it. Look more. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.